So now let's see how we can record PC screen using Filmora. So in order to record your screen, what you have to do is you have to go to File right here, and then over here, Record Media is an option, as you can see. Once you go there, you have to click on Record PC Screen. Once you do that, what happens is that the Wondershare screen recorder pops up right here. So by default, full screen is selected, as you can see. And to start recording, you simply click on this button right here. But before that, let's go to settings right here and see the hotkeys. So you can set your own hotkeys as well. But to start and stop recording, it's F9. So let's just go ahead and hit the record button right here. And the countdown actually starts up, as you can see right there. So if I were to do anything right here, if I were to right click and do anything, what happens is that everything gets recorded. And if I want to stop the recording, I can simply press F9 and you can see that the recording is here. So I'm just going to go around and close the recorder, and whatever we did in the screen has been recorded, as you can see right here. So you can simply click and drag it right here. I'm just going to max it to media. And if I were to hit the play button right there, you can see that this is the screen recorder, the screen record right there. You can see that there's the audio as well, and there's the video at the same time, just like this. So let me just mute out the audio, and then you can see that everything that we did, it got recorded. And now what we can do is we can simply edit this as we edit any other video. And that is how you can record your PC screen inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.